Hello humans on the internet, this is Kelly and today we're doing Fridays with SKKT and SKKT is shopkelkeltan in short, and today we are doing a cool as a video which is Mlen style chat video. I'm going to show you guys all the lashes that we have at shopkelkeltan.com, and we are on Shopee right now for free shipping March. So you guys go ahead and purchase it. Drum rolls please. We have up to 12 styles for our magnetic lashes and I've been loving it. I've been wearing it like every single day, especially days where like I just want to like go out without putting on mascara. And let's just start the video with how to put on magnetic lashes. Let's go! I'm sure all you interested buyers or people who have already bought the magnetic lashes have already seen my old videos, so here's a recap. So firstly, you want to align the applicator to your eyelids and then look down and then attach the eyelashes. Simple as that. A mini trick that I use is that I usually go chin up and then look down towards the pocket mirror that I have and then eyeball looking downwards and clip the eyelashes in. And by the end of the day, if you want to remove your eyelashes, remember to remove your eyelashes from outwards to inwards. So in this kind of movement, like so, and you're done! So as you guys can see, I have hooded eyelids and my favorite style would be Honey Camellia, Popular Style, Taiwan Camellia, as well as Caramel Sweet. These lash styles are more wispy and they are suitable for hooded eyelids. They also range from natural to a glam look, and it looks exactly like the eyelash extensions that I usually go for. The first one would be Taiwan Camellia. This is our best-selling lash and this is a little bit more sparse and shorter in length as compared to other lashes. If you want that natural girl next door look, this is the one for you. This lash style would be perfect if you want to wear it to work on a daily basis. It's not so in your face and I think it kind of gives a really nice kind eye effect. Okay, so next up we are showcasing Honey Camellia flower. I am literally like laughing to myself in this video because we forgot to take a video of this Honey Camellia flower in our footage and I had to take it while I edit this video. So this is me wearing Honey Camellia flower and I really like this. This is like one of the best selling ones. So good. This is definitely longer and denser than Taiwan Camellia, but also on the natural side. All style charts with length and density will be in our IG story, highlights, and also on our website. The next one we have here is Caramel Sweet. We also forgot to take some footage of Caramel Sweet, but nevertheless we have it here, and the ends of Caramel Sweet is a little bit thicker and denser. So as you can see, we are having a little bit of a cat eye situation here, and if you want to go glam, I think this is amazing. The lashes are a lot more dense and it gives you like an eyeliner kind of effect. Oh yeah, we're back with the Profesh footages. This is Popular Style and as you can see it's way denser and more clustered as compared to the previous few lashes that I have showcased just now. This is the kind of lashes that I would wear to a clubbing situation or a girls' night out. I think it really brightens my eye and make me look more awake and kind of gives me that flirtatious eye look. I also love this because this is super dense, so I don't have to wear eyeliner anymore. If you're the type of girl that goes for 13mm lash extension, I think you would love this. Now that I've already showed you guys my favorite styles, I'm gonna show you guys all our lashes from the most natural one to the most glam one. I've already showed you guys Taiwan Camellia, Caramel Sweet, and Honey Camellia. Let's just start off with Natural Barbie for our natural range. Natural Barbie is our most basic and most natural lash that we ever have, and I think this is amazing for beginners. If you are looking for something that is very natural, very sparse, and you are new to putting on lashes, I think this would be perfect for you. Moving on to dense chart, we have Popular Style, Mini Barbie, Fresh Fairy, and Fairy Brown. Firstly, we're starting off with Popular Style. This is the one that I've already showed you guys just now. I'm showing you guys again. This is in my top picks and I really like it. If you give this a closer look, you can see that the lash are a little bit longer in the middle, so it definitely gives you that dolly eye effect and widen your eye. We have Mini Barbie here. Mini Barbie is definitely a little bit shorter than Popular Style, however the density is still the same. It's more clustered and the lashes go in a crisscross kind of pattern. All you glam girls would really love this. This kind of gives off that ABG look. If you don't know what ABG is, it's Asian Baby Girl. I actually did a transformation video on ABG, so go ahead and watch it. I have it linked up here. This gives off a doll eye effect and it's very fluttery. We have Fairy Brown right now. Fairy Brown has a cat eye effect. It's almost the same as Caramel Sweet, just that it's like a version 2.0 Caramel Sweet. This is denser, longer, and one more USP of Fairy Brown is that their lashes are in dark brown colored. Moving on to our last set, we have the Voluminous set, which we have Celebrity Style, Queen Style, Greek Goddess, and Hepburn Liner. First off, we have Celebrity Style. This lash style is not too va-va-voom, not too in your face, and it kind of gives me that I'm putting in effort but not too much kind of vibe. And if you can see, it's not too dense, but it definitely has the right amount of volume in there. It's definitely a little bit shorter than the other voluminous or dense lashes, but I think this is the right amount of shake. This is Greek Goddess. It is called Greek Goddess for a reason. As you can see, the lashes are very full, very fluttery. The curls are C-curl, and if you can see, right, it is very, very curly, so it's perfect for hooded eye. Here we have Hepburn Liner. Hepburn Liner's lash style really emphasize length and density on the ends of your eye. So if you have smaller eyes, I think this would be great for you because it really can elongate your eye and it really widens your eye in general. I would say that if you like soft glam, this kind of lash style would be good for you, and this is more on natural volume instead of thick heavy lashes. Last but not least, we have the craziest Queen's lash style. This is very thick, very long. I would not recommend you guys who are not used to thick eyelashes to get this, because this kind of gives off that drag queen kind of lash style. So if you are not comfortable with lashes, please do not try this. But if you are super cool with long lashes, I think this would be good for you. Before we end off this video, I wanted to show you guys that we still have this Mlen limited edition box. This box only has lash styles for Fresh Fairy and Taiwan Camellia, and I really highly recommend you guys to go get this. If you want an in-depth video introduction, I have it linked here in this video, so go ahead and watch it. It's super value for money. Bye!